Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see looking around workbook standard 5th in that chapter number 5. Chapter name is Seed, Seed, Seed. See the main one. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. See the question number 1. Which of the following plants is known as a hunter plant? Option is A. Henna, B. Flat bean, C. Cockleber, and D. Pitcher plant. Your answer is option D. Pitcher plant. Number 2. Seeds of which plants are spread by wind? A. Milkweed, B. Lotus, C. Guava, and D. Banyan. Answer is option A. Milkweed. Number 3. Seeds of which plant are spread by water? A. Cotton, B. Cockleber, C. Coconut, and D. People. Answer is option C. Coconut. Number 4. Which of the following seeds is bigger than a pea? A. Wheat, B. Rajma, kidney bean, C. Mustard, D. Green gram. Answer is option B. Rajma. It means kidney bean. It's look like a kidney. That's why it's known as a kidney bean. See the number 5. Which of the following seeds has a rough texture? Rough texture means which not a smooth. Option is option A. Mustard, B. Green gram, C. Maize, and D. Gram. Answer is option D. Gram. Number 6. Seeds of which plant have minute thorns? A. Cockleber, B. Indian beech, C. Alfalfa grass seeds, D. Milkweed. Answer is option A. Cockleber, which has a minute tiny thorns. Number 7. Which fruit has a large seed? Which fruit has a large seed? Option A. Watermelon, B. Chiku, C. Apple, and D. Sweet lime. Answer is option B. Chiku. Number 8. From where did chilies come to India? Options are option A. Africa, B. Europe, C. South America, and D. Japan. Answer is option C. South America. Now see main 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. The doctor advised a sick person to eat blanks. So answer is lentils or green gram. Number 2. A shoot sprouts out from a blanks and grows into a plant. Answer is a seed. See the number 3. Out of milkweed, alfalfa grass, and cockleber, the seeds of blanks spread through water. Answer is alfalfa grass. Number 4. Out of green gram, flat beans, and maize, blanks is a food grain. So your answer is a maize. See the number 5. Seeds of cockleber are spread by animals. Now see the number 6. Out of seeds of gram, okra means lady's finger, and cotton, the seeds of blanks are smooth. So seeds of lady's finger, okra are smooth. Answer is okra. Number 7. Out of flat bean, mustard, and bitter gourd, the seeds of blanks are rough. Bitter gourd. Number 8. Coconut seeds are spread through water. Answer is water. Now see the next page. See main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. See the number 1. A sick person is advised to eat sprouted wheat. It's a false, wrong. Number 2. To sprout lentils, they are first soaked in water. So It's a right, true. Number 3, only air is necessary for a seed to grow. Wrong. Only air is not necessary. Water also necessary. Water, soil and air. So it's a wrong. False. Number 4, when a flat bean sprouts, two separate cotyledons are seen. So true. Number 5, if spoiled seeds are sown, they do not sprout or grow. So it's a true. Number 6, all seeds have the same shape. False, wrong. Number 7, fruits of plants have a seeds. True. Number 8, coconut seeds are spread by wind. False. It's a spread by water. So it's a wrong. Now see main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, we will see column A, that's our seeds. So, number 1, cockleber seeds, 2, sweet basil tuckmaria seeds, 3, milkweed seeds and 4th, banyan seeds. And column B, by whom they are spread. Number 1, birds, 2, wind, 3, human being, 4th one, animals and 5th, water. See the first one, cockleber seeds are spread by animals. Cockleber seeds are spread by animals. They stuck on the animal's body. Number 2, sweet basils, tuckmaria seeds are spread by water. Number 3, milkweed seeds are spread by wind. Number 4, banyan seeds are spread by birds. Number 1. Now see main 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. See the number 1. Which factors are needed for a seed to grow? Answer is air, water and heat, sunlight are needed for a seed to grow. Question number 2. How are seeds of the cockleber and the great burdock plants dispersed means spread? Answer is seeds of plants like cockleber and the greater burdock are dispersed, spread by animals. Now see the question number 3. Which factors play a role in the dispersal of seeds? Answer is factors that play a role in the dispersal of seeds are 1, wind, 2nd one, water, 3rd one, insects and 4th one, birds and animals. Now see the next page. See the question number 4. Give 4 examples of food grains. Answer is wheat, bajra, rice and maize are examples of food grains. The question number 5. Whose seeds are spread by wind? Answer is seeds of milkweed akdo, Indian beech kanji and cotton tree simlo are spread by wind. Question number 6. How are seeds of sweet basil tuckmaria spread? Answer is seeds of sweet basil tuckmaria are spread by water. Now see the question number 7. How many types of seeds are there? Which are they? Answer is there are 2 types of seeds. They are number 1, monocotyledon and 2, dicotyledon. Question number 8. What does dicotyledon seed mean? Answer is seeds which can be broken into 2 parts are known as dicotyledon dicots. Number 9. Which plants can be grown without seeds? Answer is plants of rose, henna, banana, guava, pomegranate, jujube, etc. can be grown without seeds. See the question number 10. What would happen if the plants do not get water? Answer is if the plants do not get water, they start to wither and finally dry up. Question number 11. What is inside the seed? Answer is there is an embryo, means small plant, inside the seeds which has the ability to grow into a plant. Question number 12. How does a big plant grow from a tiny seeds? Answer is a seeds absorb water from soil and sprouts. The new shoot gets air, sunlight and water and starts to grow. In the end, it becomes a big plant or a tree. Question number 13. Name a few games that can be played with a seeds. Answer is a game, kuka or a panchika, like the one played with a fever nuts. Kachka can be played with a tamarind seeds. Tamarind seeds. Now we will see the main six in the next video, part 2. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.